Welcome to our Math Media. Today class 8 chapter 2 linear equation in one variable. I am going to solve exercise 2.1. Here the variable in one side and numbers are on the other side. This is the first type linear equation we have to solve. Our question number 1, x minus 2 equal to 7. Here the variable x is on the left side of equal to sign and one number 7 is on the RHS. Along with the x, one number is there 2. So the first step is to transpose this 2 onto other side of equal to sign. That is, keep only the variable in the left side and along with the variable whatever other numbers are there, we have to shift it to other side of the equal to sign. So x equal to what is written on the RHS, that should be write it first. Don't write 2 plus 7. Already what is there on the RHS, that you should write it first. Then which number is shifting to RHS, that will come afterwards only. Here minus 2, while shifting to the right side of RHS, it will become plus 2. Therefore x equal to 9. We can check the answer by putting the value of x in the given equation. That is, given equation is x minus 2 equal to 7. 9 minus 2 equal to 7. That is 7 equal to 7. LHS equal to RHS. So what we have found that is correct only. The value of x is 9. This is the way you can cross check your answer. Our next question is question number 2. Y plus 3 equal to 10. So the first step is keep the variable only on the left side and remove or shift everything along with the variable to the right side. Therefore y equal to 10 plus 3, while going to RHS, it will become minus 3. Therefore y equal to 10 minus 3 gives 7. If we put the value of y over here, 7 plus 3 equal to 10. That is 10 equal to 10. Our next question, 6 equal to z plus 2. So we can keep the z on one side and along with the z what is there, that you can shift it to other side. Or we can rewrite the equation as z plus 2 equal to 6. Therefore z equal to 6 plus 2 will become minus 2 while shifting to right side. So z equal to 4 is the solution. You can cross check it. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 6 equal to 6. Question number 4. 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 upon 7. We can keep only the variable x on the left side. So x equal to, what is there on the right side? 17 upon 7. That we will write it first. Now we can shift 3 by 7 to RHS. Here the sign of 3 by 7 is plus. So it will become minus 3 by 7. Here the denominators are same. So you can subtract the numerator directly. So we are getting 14 upon 7, that is equal to 2. That is x equal to 2. Next question number 5. 6x equal to 12. The same way we can follow here. We can keep the variable x only on the LHS and the numerals we can shift to the RHS. Therefore x equal to, already the RHS 12 is here, that I am writing first. Here 6 multiplied by x. So the multiplication will become division while going to RHS. So 12 divided by 6. Cancelling, we get x equal to 2. Our next question, t upon 5 equal to 10. Therefore, t equal to, first we are writing the RHS. Here 5 is t divided by 5. So division, if we shift it to other side, it will become multiplication. So t equal to 10 multiplied by 5, that is t equal to 50. Next is question number 7. 2x upon 3 equal to 18. So we can keep 2x together on the left side first. That is 2x equal to, first we are writing the RHS 18. Here 3 is divided, 2x divided by 3 is here. So this 3 will shift to RHS by multiplication. So division will become multiplication. So 2x equal to 18 into 3. Therefore x equal to 18 into 3 divided by 2. Because here 2 is multiplied by x. While shifting on other side, it will become division. By cancelling, x equal to, we get 27. Similarly, this one, the variable is on the RHS. So you can write down 1.6 multiplied by 1.5 equal to y. Or you can rewrite the equation as y upon 1.5 equal to 1.6. Keep the variable only on the left side. RHS already 1.6 is here. Here 1.5 is division. Y is divided by 1.5. So while going to other side, 1.5 should be multiplied with a 1.6. You can multiply 16 into 15. Remove 2 digit and put the point. So we get y equal to 2.4. Next is question number 9. 7x minus 9 equal to 16. Our first step is keep the variable only on the left side. Shift all other numerals to the RHS. So we get 7x equal to, first we are writing what is there on the RHS, 16. Now we are shifting 9 to other side. Here the sign of 9 is minus, while shifting to other side it will become plus 9. That is 7x equal to 25. Now along with the x, the variable x, 7 is there. So in the next step we shift 7 to other side. Here 7 is multiplied by x. So while going to other side it will become division. Therefore x equal to 25 upon 7. Our next question, 14 minus y minus 8 equal to 13. The same method what we followed in the 9th sum, same we are applying here also. First step, keep the variable on the left side. Already 13 is there on the RHS. Next we are shifting minus 8 to other side. So this will become plus 8. That is 14y equal to 21. Next is along with the y we have 14. It is multiplied with the y. So while shifting 14 onto other side it will become division. Therefore y equal to 21 upon 14. 7 is common in both, so we can cancel. So we are getting 3 by 2. Y equal to 3 upon 2. Next is question number 11. With the same method, we can solve this sum also. That is 17 plus 6p equal to 9. So 6p equal to 9. Here the sign of 17 is plus, positive. So while shifting to other side, it will become minus. 6p equal to, here 9 is having plus sign, 17 is having negative sign. So we can use the rule of integers. The signs are different, bigger number minus smaller number, and put the sign of the bigger number. So we are getting minus 8. Therefore p equal to, here 6 is multiplied by p. So while shifting to other side, minus 8 divided by 6. While cancelling, we get minus 4 upon 3. P equal to minus 4 upon 3. Next is x upon 3 plus 1 equal to 7 upon 15. So keep x upon 3 on LHS. RHS is 7 upon 15. Plus 1 shift to other side, it will become minus 1. Here it is a fraction. So 1 is also can be written as 1 by 1. Or we can write it as 7 upon 15 minus 15 upon 15. That is 7 minus 15 whole divided by 15. Here also we can apply the rule of integers. That is 7 is having plus sign and 15 is having minus sign. 7 minus 15 means 7 plus minus 15. So we can get bigger number minus smaller number and put the sign of the bigger number. So we are getting minus 8 upon 15. X by 3 equal to minus 8 upon 15. We can find x. Here x is divided by 3. So while shifting to other side, it will become multiplication. That is minus 8 upon 15 multiplied by 3. 3 can be cancelled here. So the value of x equal to minus 8 upon 5. Thank you.